No, the other tour guide.
Oh, so we'll be in there later.
We were already there.
Let's go in that area.
We were up. No, we were going in through another way.
I'm talking about the top. This top, right here. Outside.
Oh, thank you. I said that. I'm coming. This thing is just so beautiful. Like, I studied this in... CJ, do you know what that is?
That's the Last Supper.
You see Jesus?
Yeah, I saw Jesus.
I just think it's so amazing. It's the Pantheon. That's where all the gods and goddesses lived when they came down to Earth.
Resident. That was 314. Yup.
Born in the 80s, crack baby. Sculptures really are my favorite, especially Greek sculptures. This is giving me life. So much stuff. Who do these feet belong to? The actual sculpture has the baby was like punching me from the inside going down the stairs. But I don't think you'll be able to feel it through this band. You good? Adelia, hold on. Right. I know. I feel like some of these probably weren't even used though. They might have just like had them made in preparation. People were small. You want a picture, Ryan?
really the security guard. Slide in here. No, I'm not paying attention.
Oh, I thought that was you, Azalea. I say, dang, you want to be in my skin? So nervous. Right. Ooh, it feels good up here. Ooh.
Oh shit.
There's another, like, we can't go up that high because of the wind.
Yeah, there's a sign that said the top is closed and it's strong wind.
What about the people who were already up there while it was windy? a good gust of wind. Oh, this is a good view. Where we at? Where we at?
Yeah,
We up. This is a good view.
I got you.
Oh no. Ay, Dios mío. Wow. I am currently walking down the stairs of the Eiffel Tower from the first floor to the ground floor. What is wrong with me? Whew. Holding on to this rail for dear life.